Hello, I'm Peter van Hoek from KUHN PZ, product manager for the drum mowers, and I'd like to introduce to you two new models of our PZ 1000 series. First of all, we have here the PZ 3221F, a new front mower model, and in the back the PZ 8831 Butterfly. The PZ 1000 series bring together decades of PZ and KUHN mower development knowledge. The PZ 1000 series have some typical PZ features which are known from the past, merged together with modern knowledge about drive lines and production methods. The PZ 3221F is a new model in our PZ 1000 front mower range and has a cutting width of 3.19 m and a transport width of 3.10 m. The PZ 1000 series have three front-mounted models: the PZ 2721F, 3021F and this new 3221F. With a weight of only 740 to 810 kilograms, depending on the headstock choice and options installed, this is a particular interesting model because of the high working width, limited weight and still narrow swat deposit of an average of 1.20 m, so within the tractor tires. Therefore, the PZ 3221F is typically interesting for customers who are doing fresh grass mowing for high capacity with big loading wagons, for extra overlap with a rear mounted or a butterfly mower when driving in curves, or for tractors with double tires installed, so for mowing sufficiently outside the outer tires and still have a narrow swat deposit within the inner tires. This particular model has a pendulum headstock, so the mower can adapt in driving direction but also sideways. And the other choice available on the front mounted mowers is the fixed headstock. Important for both the fixed and the pendulum headstock is the weight compensation, so the weight transfer from the mower to the tractor is done via these springs. It's important that these springs are on an angle of 45 degrees or even a little bit more. And in the option price list you can find these tractor supports for installing the springs correctly to the tractor. The design of this new PZ 1000 series clearly indicate that these mowers are part of the KUHN mowing family. One of the features of the PZ 1000 series is the complete redesigned driveline with a heavy duty V-belt drive and a hexagonal drive shaft all the way through. Also gears with curved teeth for a pleasant noise level and maximum power transfer are key features of the PZ 1000 series. During the development of the PZ 1000 series, special attention was given to the user friendliness of the mowers. For example, easy height adjustment with an increased range of 45 mm to answer the demand for higher cutting, and features an integrated brake conus. So when the mower is lifted, the skid saucer is automatically braked by the conus because it moves down and is catched by the outer housing. Adjustment of the swat wheels without the need of any tools, and a very easy lock for the flex protect in lowered but also in the upright position. Typical PZ features are the big and small knife blades, the design of the knife blade with a very flat angle, so for an optimal crop transfer from the knife onto the knife blades to the drums. The flattened side drums with exchangeable transport strips. These strips can be exchanged for smaller or bigger ones or double ones depending on the conditions to create more grip on the crop. These strips are a very easy to replace and affordable wear part to protect the drum from wear. The layout with big and small knife blades create a big working width with a narrow swat deposit, automatically narrow swat deposit with a very low power requirement. The PZ 1000 series feature a new design of easy blade change with a very simple and functional key to exchange the blades. And every mower comes with a handy storage box for spare blades. Here we have the new PZ 8831 butterfly mower, which is the successor of the PZ 960. It features the PZ 1000 series cutting heads and shares the reinforced frame of the GMD 8730. The mower can be positioned in 3 different overlap positions. In the middle position you have a mowing width of 8.54 m. The PZ 8831 is suitable for tractors as from 130 horsepower, but thanks to the robust driveline design of the PZ 1000 series, it's also very suitable for the larger horsepower classes. The specific advantages of a drum mower is that besides cutting the grass, it also actively transports the crop to the back of the machine. Therefore, the already cutted crop cannot interfere with uncutted crop because it's directly transported away. This makes it very useful in conditions with long laying grass or sticky soil conditions, because the big skid saucers freely rotate and roll over the ground. These new PZ 1000 series cutting heads have a 3.4 m working width and a swat deposit of an average of 1.50 m. On the inside you have a small gearbox, and this is one open oil bath together with the mowing frame. The cutting height of the mower can be adjusted by installing rings between the freely rotating skid saucer and the knife blade. There's a range of 44 mm to adapt. The Flex Protect covers folds automatically when the machine is folding and unfolding. The headstock features the well-known KUHN lift control system and ensures that the mower is on the ground with the correct ground pressure thanks to this hydropneumatic system. Also with lift control, when the mowing unit hits an obstacle, the mower pivots back, goes up and automatically goes down back in its mowing position and will overcome the obstacle. Operation of this headstock is done via a double acting valve for folding and unfolding the machine, and a single acting valve for operating headland and for set the ground pressure. A small control box enables you to lift only one side of the machine and keep it in headland position while mowing with the other side. The upgraded headstock features newly designed support legs, which makes it possible to uncouple the machine in folded positions for space-saving storage. 2 support legs in the front and 1 big support leg in the back. The main arguments on the row for the PZ 1000 series. First of all, the specific advantages of a drum mower in difficult crop or soil conditions by the active crop transport and the freely rotating skid saucers on sticky soil. The PZ 1000 series, which bring together decades of KUHN and PZ mower development experience. The robust construction of the PZ 1000 series, making it very suitable for the modern horsepower classes. The limited own weight of the machines. Simple and well thought out controls and user-friendly operation of the machine. A unique offer on the market with the addition of the PZ 3221F and the 8831 butterfly mower. And remember, with the widest and most specialized range of disc and drum mowers, KUHN can offer each customer in every condition the optimal mowing solution.